So yeah, it was good. Um, so we're back with another trade review, and this particular trade was on AUD USD. So okay, why AUD USD? So like on Tuesday, 7:30 p.m. New York time, definitely we had CPI here, and we had CPI quarterly, yearly, and frame. I don't know how this is pronounced, but yeah, so we had news by 7:30 New York time, and yeah, so my plan was to like go into AUD USD and see if there was anything tradable, and so yeah, so let's open the chart. So AUD USD basically, um, the whole analysis started from um the 4-hour time frame. So okay, initially I think the whole move started here on Monday, in which I was a part of this move just for this candle, but during the retracement, price came back and yeah, took me at a break even. But yeah, partials were secured though. So we're at this point, let me just quickly, we're at this point um here yesterday before the news. This is the news candle. So basically my thought process behind this trade was price taking out this high. You see price taking out this high. We have this low. So I mean, then from here I zoomed into this candle, the manipulation candle, went to the 1 hour time frame, and when I went to the 1 hour time frame, if you notice, we have another CRT high. Let me just mark them out. CRT high and CRT low here. So the manipulation candle, which is this candle, I had to zoom inside. Then basically I went to the 15-minute time frame, and yeah, inside we had another CRT. I don't normally draw it out, but I just use my eye to catch it. We have another CRT here, CRT high, CRT low, with liquidity grab. So this is the major candle among all the CRTs we have checked so far. So during the news, we're at this point, like before the news, we're at this point. So I got into the trade um um with the mindset, or rather with some sort of confidence that price is not going to take this high. So my stop loss was just above that high, but like because of spread and all. So price was, even as price was rallying, basically all price was doing was just taking out this liquidity, trading to the 50% of the week. That is consequent encouragement. So the price was trading 50% before the news finally hit. So that was what made up like this trade here basically. So just taking an entry here and stop loss just above, targeting here, targeting these lows basically, because this is a 1 hour CRT low, 4 hour CRT low. So yeah, that was basically it, to be honest. Like nothing, it's still like the same concept as what was, as the video that was posted yesterday. It's on USD trade review. So yeah, that is the thought process behind the trade. Just trading news with 4 hour CRT. We're trying to predict the third candle, that is this candle, and basically um the way we can predict that candle is by um from the 1 hour. So once you see CRT on the 1 hour, um you can basically predict that candle. And once you see CRT on the 15 minutes inside the 1 hour manipulation candle that is taking out the CRT high, then you can like predict the 4 hour um, distribution phase. So yeah, um, uh, basically this was where the 4 hour candle opened. So um, taking this trade early would be you taking it from here, but luckily price was still consolidated around this area. So like I still saw it as something valid. Price was not too far away, so I still saw it as something valid to take and just stop loss above the high. So it looks like this. Stop loss here and yeah, first CP, second CP, and price ended up going all the way to like 13:1. So basically this trade is still open like on my MT5 because my break even stop loss is right here right now. So price is still like hovering around. So okay, so yeah, this is just demo basically. That is the trade I took here, risking 2K and take profits here. Yeah, um, take this off. So yeah, that was basically the trade. Um, I think right now, what am I looking at? I would say I'm looking at um I'm looking at this. I'm looking at this right now. CAD JPY. We have the daily. The daily just I just got an alert about like the daily creating this manipulation candle and yeah. So I have to so I have the 4 hour here. So where we have the 4 hour, we also have another CRT high and low, CRT high, CRT low, price has taken out the low. Then also on the 1 hour, we have another CRT low here, CRT high and CRT low. So I'm suspecting if price is going bullish, it should protect this low. Basically, this low should be protected. But also note there's something to discover here. We have this now. We have this now. Price taking out this high and this candle open. So price can also, trade to this low. But to be honest, I'm looking at price this low being protected because on the daily time frame we have a CRT low and high. We have this low and we have this high. Is it really at a key level? Yeah, we took out liquidity. We have this candle that also took out this low. And we're still looking at the monthly. I've been looking at this. We took out this low. This high is staying intact. And now I've taken out this high. And this low is staying intact. So to be honest, now it's 50-50. You can't. It's hard to really know where price will go to right now because even on the monthly time frame, we took out this low but price hasn't taken out this high, and now I've taken out this high, and the month is about to close in like 2 days, or yeah, in like 2 days. So it's also a possibility that since we are taking out the high, price can open and take out this low, or price can open and finally take out this high. So that is why it's 50-50. We also have the weekly time frame, this low. Depending on how we close, maybe from next week we can go for this high, because this CLT low, CLT high. So that is forming, and also on the daily. Let me just we can make this visible. So this is there on the weekly. Then on the daily, we have also formed this. So like if we're trying to narrow it down, like on the daily, we have formed this. Then what do we have on the 4 hour? On the 4 hour, we have also formed this. What do we have on the 1 hour? On the 1 hour, we have also formed this. So let's see if this low gets protected, but if price trades below this low, I'll be looking for another 1 hour RT high and low before, because it's probability price can trade to the 50% of this low. So if price is to come to the 50% of this week, sorry, if price comes to 50% of that week, I will create another CRT low, like below this low. The timing also will create another CRT low below this low, touching this week. Then we can get a valid buy from there. So for now, I'm looking to see if this low gets protected. So yeah, but yeah, we have some in just in case you want to study some things, you can study Nasdaq today, because we had on the 4 hour, we had like similar to AUDUSD, we had this CRT high, we have this CRT low, we have this CRT high, and yeah, at this point this candle was not open, so you can, when price was like trading here, you can zoom into this week, so the 1 hour, look for another CRT. We have another CRT here, CRT high, CRT low. So now we have the 4 hour CRT high and low, we have the 1 hour CRT high and low. Then we'll go to the 15 minutes. So we have the 15 minutes CRT high and low, which is this. This is the high, this is the low. This week taking out this high. So you can also mark out the 50% of this week, which is okay. I'm just leave this here, 50% of this week. So price came back here and broke down. So you can take your trade after this and the 1 hour have closed, which is from here. The next one, okay, so where's my line from here? So from the 1 hour, I normally go to the 3 minutes. That so 3 minute time frame. So at this point, it's valid to take a trade from here, anywhere here, but your stop loss must be above this high, because we're trying to also, based on the 1 hour CRT, we're trying to predict the 4 hour CRT, in which, like, so you can take your entry here, which is a bit aggressive, and yeah, or you can also wait to like see how it reacts on 50% of the week, then wait for a breakout structure, then take your entry here. So anyone works fine. So yeah, this was today's trade on on the Nasdaq. So yeah, you can look into this. You can study other pairs. It happens like every day. You might not probably start from the weekly or daily, to be honest. But if you're a day trader, you should start from the 1 4 hour time frame and try to look for CRT forming. So because of my busy schedule, I basically still missed Nasdaq today, to be honest. Because of my busy schedule, I actually created a script on MT5 where I basically get alerts. So I don't have to be on the charts like 24/7 or looking. I just wait when I get an alert before I hop on the chart. So if I get like this year bearish USD CAD alert, that was what basically constituted this trade here. Yeah. So once I get an alert, 1 hour, 4 hour, any time frame is set it to. Once I get an alert, then yeah, then I hop on the charts and yeah, I just analyze and just take the trade. So I don't have to watch the charts at all times. So yeah. So that is it for today. Don't forget to subscribe for more. I have a Telegram channel if you want to be a part of us. The Telegram channel is on my Twitter bio. So um want to be a part of the community, I have a Telegram channel. So yeah, so that is it for today. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like if you want to see more.